Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PC games on your mobile phone. And this is actually really easy to do. You can see my entire Steam collection on here, and I can start playing. Now, this is using Steam Link on my phone. You can download this really on any Google device or Android device. If you get the APK Steam Link, and then you can open this up and it'll connect to your computer, and you can stream all these games over to your phone. So if it works on your computer, it will work on your phone. We want to go on over to the Google Play Store and just open this up right here. Then search for this application, Steam Link by Valve. And I'm going to uninstall this and go through the installation process with you once again. And go to the top right. The most important thing is you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network your computer is connected to. If they're on different networks for whatever reason, they're not going to be able to link up and discover each other. So very important. So wait for this to install and then we can open it up. Okay, let's go to open right now. Flip this around. Now you do need to have your computer on with Steam open. So let's go to allow. Before we press get started, turn your computer on, open up Steam, log in. So it's going to scan for nearby computers. Here's my gaming PC, I can tap it. And then I got to type this code on the screen on my computer. Okay, now it's going to check my network to see my download speed. Just make sure it's fast enough and determine if I need 720p, 1080p, or maybe even 4K for my resolution. So it's going to check my speed right here. I should be good here at about 100 MB/s. So I'm at 110, 120, so it keeps going up. Now, you can just take a look at this, and when we go to the settings, if you don't like whatever it recommends, you can change it around. Okay, and it's finally done. We can go to OK, OK, go to the top right, and we can go to settings here. And we can connect a controller if we want to pair it right here. We can go to streaming. We can choose one of these. I have 1080p enhanced is what it recommends for me, but we can go to custom, and we can change some of this stuff around too. And then we can go back, and go to computer. We can tap my computer and go start playing. And now it's going to connect and open up Steam Big Picture mode. And what you can do now is just bring your phone anywhere in your house and start playing. You can go up to your library. We got the on-screen controls right here. And you should be able to start playing. So choose game. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.